Today, our host Priscilla will be joining us at Tomino here in Little Italy. And we're here to show you the perfect drink.
In any season, gathering with friends and family presents a great reason to serve perfectly delicious and refreshing drinks using Puerto de India's the original strawberry gin.
Puerto de India's lovers in its homeland of Spain and around the world have enjoyed delicious and easy-to-mix cocktails made with their flagship strawberry gin at countless venues throughout the seasons.
Today, we're at Tomino's in Little Italy, where we are going to be serving up some delicious cocktails using Puerto de India's strawberry gin. So I'm here with Red, one of the representatives of Puerto de India's. Thank you so much for joining me here today with the Taste of New York at Tomino's. So this bottle, first of all, is super interesting and exquisite. Tell me, what is the story behind this strawberry flavored gin?
About 5 years ago, two brothers out of Sevilla wanted to restore an old distillery out there in Carmona. The bottle itself is shaped after the Torre de Oro, or the Golden Tower, off of Sevilla. The strawberry gin has really changed the landscape for gin across Europe, and a trend that we're seeing here in the US.
So I'm interested in preparing some dishes for the upcoming holidays. Can you help me with that? Give me some ideas,
Sure.
Inspiration.
One of the best things, or one of the key things about our brand is that it's a very simple product, and we mean for it to be enjoyed very simply. We made these drinks for people that don't want to be mixologists. So it's really just our gin, a premium mixer, a squeeze of citrus, and you're good to go.
Okay, Red, so it looks like we have some delicious recipes right here that we're gonna start taking some sips off of. Would you call this a classic?
Yeah, this is what we would call our simple serve. So we keep it very simple, just our strawberry gin, our tonic, and then some fresh garnish, which would be, I believe, thyme and strawberry and a squeeze of lime in this particular drink. So
amazing, I can't wait to taste it. Wow, that's really yummy.
Right?
Yeah, and
Perfect.
super smooth.
Very smooth, very easy
Definitely
to enjoy.
a delicious strawberry flavor.
And definitely something that you can make at home.
Yeah, it was so easy. Just a few ingredients, but that flavor really shines through.
The versatility of this beautiful gin is what makes it so unique. Virtually anything pairs well with Puerto de India's strawberry gin. With just a few simple ingredients, you can create amazing and visually stunning cocktails with simplicity and speed.
Our version of a Negroni, so it's really our Puerto de India's strawberry gin, a little bit of Luxardo, bitters, and our wonderful garnishes.
Picture perfect. Thank you so much today for joining me here. And hopefully, many more people will purchase this gin and make these recipes.
Salud.
Cheers. So I'm here with Marco. He's the owner of Tomino Restaurant.
Tomino is a taberna gallega. It's a tribute to our heritage. Tomino is the namesake of my parents' birthplace. My brothers and I, who are partners here for years, have been traveling to Spain and especially staying in Tomino. And we thought, what better way to bring the culture and food of Galicia, which is in the northwest region of Spain, to New York. And so hopefully you'll find your way here to Little Italy between Mott and Mulberry on Grand Street.
Puerto de India's strawberry gin is the gin that inspired a whole new category. It's the only gin made with distilled fresh strawberries versus others who add strawberry flavor after distillation. The result is a fresh, delicious, authentic, fruit-forward taste that breaks the preconceived barriers of gin. And it's perfect for any occasion. It's produced in one of the oldest and most traditional distilleries in Seville, Spain. The combination of history, craftsmanship, and innovation have made possible this deliciously non-conforming gin that's now available in New York. Taste the sensation for yourself. For further info, visit ginpuertodeindias.com